Good morning, everyone. We're coming to you from one of the best kept secrets in all of Fort Myers. This home is located in Hendry Creek. It is a ranch style home that has been remodeled. You have an oversized 2-car garage. The physical address on this home is 15486 Chloe Court. This is the entrance. As you come in, you have a tranquil fountain. As you come in, notice the home has been painted with some very, very relaxing, cool colors. Take note of these spectacular doors. These are all Hurricane custom made. As you enter into this home, you're going to find an open concept that has soaring ceilings. You've got beautiful bamboo floors. You have a wonderful foyer area that you can make into an office or a seating or a reading room. Formal dining room, all custom lighting. You have a stone stacked wall with built-ins. Now, what I want to show you is the most spectacular part of this home. In my opinion, of course, you have 3 French doors that open out onto your most private oasis. This is a home that is not found very often with these features. Look at these spectacular lake views. You have the most amazing sunsets. You have an island where you have a lot of natural beauty, wildlife. You have a lot of roosting of the birds, mango trees, banana trees where you can lay in your hammock here and enjoy them in the afternoons watching your sunsets. There's also a kayak launch right behind you. Notice the pool decking, and you have this beautiful private covered space on your lanai to watch sunsets and entertain. There's a pass-through window for your kitchen. Here are your beautiful French doors. Access to an office master bedroom on this side. Another access to another bedroom onto the lanai. Let me walk you back into this home. Beautiful bamboo floors. Notice the architecture of these doors. We're going to take a quick peek into the butler's pantry. Lots of storage here. Another refrigerator. We're going to take a peek into the garage. It's oversized with lots of storage built-ins. Now let's take a walk into the master bedroom. This floor plan is a split floor plan with the master on one side and 2 others on the other side of the home. So your guests have privacy as well as yourself. Notice the vaulted ceilings. Oversized, nicely sized master bedroom. Here is the office den reading room that I told you about that has access out to your pool deck and views of the lake. Let's take a look at the ensuite master bath. Beautiful dual vanities, comfort height, granite countertops, new lighting, lots of natural light coming through these beautiful windows. Here you have a full-size washer and dryer space. Now on this side you have a beautiful walk-in oversized shower, tile floor to ceiling. You've got tongue and groove also in the shower. A seating area. Notice the tongue and groove ceiling in the master bath as well. New fans. Beautiful neutral paint throughout. You have a private water closet with a bidet and toilet. Wainscoting. Now notice this custom closet. This is your master walk-in closet. Lots and lots of storage space. Okay, let's go take a walk into the kitchen area. It's really a beautiful kitchen the way it is set up. It is nice and open, yet it still has enough privacy. Here it is in the far corner. So you have 42.5-inch cabinets, nice backsplash, stone backsplash, lots of storage, beautiful lighting in here, lovely appliances, and here's your pass-through window that we talked about earlier. So it's very easy for entertaining. Areas that go right out here. Easy for entertaining into your formal dining room. So let's go on into the back 2 bedrooms and the second bath. Beautiful, soft, relaxing colors. New fixtures. Lots of natural light in here as well with a nice closet. All of the closets are custom. Taking a peek back into your foyer area, these are 2 huge hurricane impact glass windows that have been put in recently. Now, more storage here. We're going to walk into the second bathroom. It's a single vanity, beautiful granite countertops, custom shower with beautiful tile. Now, if you'll notice, you have a door out to the pool, which gives you access. Notice the custom tile here as well. We're going to take a peek at the third bedroom. Nicely oversized. Lots of light. You've got a custom closet in here as well. Take a quick peek. Now, this is the third bedroom that also has a den office reading room that has access directly out to your lanai as well. Well, you don't find homes like this very often, especially where you're located so close to Coconut Point shopping. It's in between Fort Myers and Naples, so it's easy access to shopping, dining, just about anything that you want to do. And it's nestled away from the hustle and bustle of the traffic with such serene settings. Just imagine yourself sitting out here in the afternoon, sipping your favorite beverage and just relaxing and watching nature. Give me a call at 239-209-3960. Elise Starr of the Star Team, John R. Wood Properties, for your private showing. Have a great day.